There are so many things that we know we should be doing but don't have the motivation to do. So how do we feel motivated to do them? In the New York Times bestselling book Atomic Habits, James Clear explains a technique for boosting willpower and being more productive with your time called temptation bundling. Temptation bundling uses desirable activities to encourage the completion of undesirable tasks by performing them simultaneously. For example, if you really enjoy watching a particular YouTube channel, but you don't like to do the dishes, then maybe you could watch that YouTube channel only during the time that you are washing the dishes. The concept of temptation bundling originated in a 2014 study conducted by the University of Pennsylvania. In this study, participants were divided into 3 groups. The control group was given a gift card that had enough money on it to buy 4 audiobooks. The second group had 4 audiobooks that they wanted to listen to loaded onto their personal iPods, and they were encouraged to use a self-imposing rule that they would only listen to those audiobooks while they were exercising. The third group was given access to iPods that had 4 audiobooks that they wanted to listen to, but they could only access those iPods when they were at the gym. After 10 weeks, those in the group that had the iPods that they could only listen to while they were at the gym increased their gym attendance by 51% compared to the control group. Those in the second group who were encouraged to create this self-imposing rule to exercise only when listening to the audiobooks increased their gym attendance by 29% compared to the control group. This supports the notion that linking activities that you don't enjoy with activities that you do enjoy may make you more likely to follow through on completing those activities that you don't particularly enjoy. Caitlin Woolley, an assistant professor at Cornell University, is quoted as saying, "One reason immediate rewards, like temptation bundling, are so effective is that they increase intrinsic motivation, your interest and enjoyment in an activity. The earlier the reward arrives, the better, because it can actually make you enjoy the task itself." In my own life, I use temptation bundling to motivate myself to prep for the work week by listening to a playlist that has my favorite songs on it. I also will fold the laundry and put the clothes away when I'm listening to Keleva Plan's podcast. And I only allow myself to watch my favorite TV show on Hulu while I am riding my stationary bike at home. You could also listen to your favorite podcast while meal prepping, or enjoy your favorite hot beverage while putting together a presentation for work. It's really up to you. What is it that you enjoy and what is it that you need to get done? Some examples from the book Atomic Habits are to only get a pedicure while processing overdue work emails, to only watch your favorite show while ironing or doing household chores, and to only eat at your favorite restaurant when conducting your monthly meeting with a difficult colleague. Keep in mind that you will want to restrict the activity to only participating in that activity during the time that you are working on the task that you don't want to do. So you wouldn't want to watch your favorite TV show when you're exercising, and then when you're done exercising to continue watching your favorite TV show, if that is your temptation bundle, because it undermines the positive reinforcement that that temptation bundle provides. If you want to get started creating your own temptation bundles, here is an activity based on one from the book Atomic Habits. In your planner, make 2 columns. Label the left column what I should do, and brainstorm tasks that you are procrastinating on, habits that you want to build, or things you need to get done that you just don't want to do. Label the right column what I want to do, and brainstorm things that you enjoy doing. Now see if you can link any of the activities in that left column with activities in the right column. Keeping in mind that not all activities and tasks go well together. For example, you wouldn't want to be participating in a distracting activity while you are working on a task that you really need to focus on. You may not want to watch TV while cutting vegetables with a knife, for instance. After you have linked the items in the left column to the right column, you could also rewrite them on a new page or at the bottom of your page if you prefer. I would love it if you could share some of the ideas that you came up with or things that you want to try out down in the comment section below, and I'll see you next Saturday. Bye!